day 3 of the daily photo challenge, and today my lovely wife has let me know that it is silhouette. That's it, one single word. Let the creativity begin. So with today's photo, I have to create a silhouette. I've been thinking about it for a bit this morning and this afternoon, and how I'm actually going to do this and what I want to actually do with the silhouette. So I've had a good think about it. I'm going to do two things. One is an object. So I thought I'm going to keep this simple, and I'm going to do a wine bottle. And then the second image that I want to actually create from this is a self-portrait. I've never done anything like this before. I've never done a silhouette. It's never been something that I've been interested in. So this is something that's really awesome that my wife's actually given me, because it is actually getting me to be very creative in what I actually want to do and what I want to actually create. So yeah, so we're in the studio instead of outside today for this video. So I'm shooting it in my studio. I always have my backdrop set up either in black or white or cream. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the object up, as well as myself. I'll be sitting on a chair, and I'm going to shine the light into the backdrop, and I'm going to let the light bounce off the backdrop onto the object and myself, and that's going to give me a very nice, sharp, crisp silhouette. So hopefully this all works out like I want it to do. But yeah, let's crack on with this video, and let's see how we can create a photo from a silhouette. And I challenge you guys to go out and actually do a silhouette. Ever so slightly for this. The horizontal view wasn't working for me, so I've turned it into a vertical. So at the moment I've set my camera up over here, as you can see, in the vertical view. And with it being this vertical view, I'm going to come down a little bit more so you can actually see how the vertical view is looking. So the way that I've set this vertical view up, you can see the image in the camera is it's shooting vertically towards the bottle. What I've also done is I've pointed the camera up ever so slightly. This is so that I can shoot up onto this plane and catch the mirrored effect on this bottle, as you can see in the video. So shooting there, it's capturing the reflection, and we should get a very nice silhouette from that. This is something you guys can also remember when you do when you're shooting in any product photography, or if you're shooting any products that you want to do. Always try and make them look heroic, and this is the way that I've done it. If you have a look at my my product video that I shot in the woods, I talk about how shooting up makes a bottle or product look very heroic. So yeah, so that's more or less where we are at the moment. What I've done is the flash at the back, the back of my bottle, I've actually aligned my flash 100% in line with the bottle and within the camera. So when the flash hits here, and the way that I've angled my flash as well, it's not hitting horizontally that way, it's shooting up at an angle, because what I want to do is I want to produce a gradient from here up to create the silhouette. I mean, I think a lot of people, what they do is when they do their silhouettes is they do it bright white, black, that's the silhouette. I like to give it a little bit of drama the way I'm looking to create this, so it will have a gradient in it. So I'm going to take about 6 shots with this setup, and then I'm going to swap it out. I'm going to get in front of the camera, and I'm going to use a remote trigger for the self-portrait, and what I'm going to do is, this is cheating by the way, I know it is. I have a mannequin, so I'm going to position the mannequin where I would be sitting and focus on the mannequin, so I know exactly where it is. Move the mannequin out the way, and then I will stand and do the self-portrait in that. I'm not saying that everybody's got a mannequin, but cheap. If you want to learn how to light for portraiture, highly suggest get a mannequin. So guys, I've now finished my self-portrait silhouette. Once again, this challenge has been actually pretty awesome because it's something that I would never ever actually shoot. So kudos to my wife in actually just giving me one word, silhouette, and I had to use my imagination for what I wanted to do. You should be seeing some of the final images now pop up on the screen. I give all my images just a very light edit. I'm not over editing them in any way, shape or form because I've got to get them out with this video. So yeah, if you could all do me a huge favor, like this video, share this video, please comment in the video. I'd like to get you guys feedback on these videos. If this is something that you guys are doing, or if this is something that appeals to you. Once again, just remember, use that hashtag dailyphotochallenge in your Instagram, even on YouTube videos. If you're doing one, just do a short video. Don't be shy. Get out there and just get on with it and tag me in, and I'll comment, and yeah, we can all do these daily challenges together. So which is really good. Till tomorrow, I'll chat to you then. Have a good day. Cheers.